Hi fellow chefs, I'm Chef Hopper, and we're back today making simple homemade guacamole. For this recipe, you will need 3 peeled, pitted, and mashed avocados, 1 lime juiced, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 1/2 cup of diced onion, 3 tablespoons of chopped fresh cilantro, and 2 to 3 diced Roma tomato, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Since we are using sharp knives, we are going to get some help today from my special guest, Mama Chef, to teach us some tricks in the kitchen.
Hi guys, I'm here today. We are going to learn some tips and tricks in the kitchen for knife safety. So first what I want you to do is you're going to grab your produce, like we have this tomato here. And grab your tomato, John. You're going to want to get out of the way. Tuck your fingers in like so. Place your knife on the cutting board and on your produce, and you're going to slice down, keeping those fingers protected and in. Getting nice even slices. Make sure you have your thumb tucked in as well. Like so. Good job. Our avocado we're going to cut in half. Keeping our fingers away from the knife. Spin. We have our spoon to get our seed out. Editing. Our onion, if you want to cheat, cut it up faster, we got our slap chop. John is going to show you how to use a slap chop today.
I love slap chop.
Slap chop.
Yay! Now that we have everything cut up, mashed, and measured, we are going to combine our ingredients. So I'm going to first add in the tomatoes. I missed some, didn't I? Yep. Then I'm going to add in my cilantro, my onions, red onions, my salt, and now my garlic. And last, we're going to add in our limes, my favorite tool. Okay. Let me just add in this last lime really quick. mix everything up. It's gonna be a mess. And there you have it, homemade guacamole.
Hey, you're baking without me?
Here, try some.
No, at least it tastes good.
Tastes good? Okay. This recipe is posted below. Please remember to like and subscribe and join us next time on our video on homemade blueberry muffins. Until next time, stay baking. Bye.